Hey guys, it's Alexa. Today we are springing out with Sally Beauty and we are going to do our own spring DIY dip nails. This is going to be new to me because I have never personally done my own dip nails. So let's get started. Let's see what we got here. It might be a little noisy. So I got the Quick Dip kit. It looks like this. It's by the brand ASP if you go there. And it comes with two colors already called Rose Petal Pink and Cream Soda. I'm going to a wedding actually this week, so hopefully these turn out well. And then I also got a few other colors in case we wanted to try them. This is more of a lavender color. It's called French Lilac. And this is also by the brand ASP. I also got this blue pastel. I got a lot of pastels since it's springtime, so this is the color Glacier Blue. And then I got ice crystals, which is kind of like a glitter. So I'm starting off with clean nails. As you can see, it took me a really long time to soak off my nails before this. I think we're gonna go ahead and do, I don't know, I'm thinking the purple and white. So we're gonna do a fourth finger accent nail for fun. Let's try it out. Oh, in this little kit, this is called the brush cleaner and power dip tray. Hopefully this is easier than what they do at the salon. This is just a brush cleaner. I guess maybe I do need that. Nail primer, step 1. Step 2 is nail base and top gel. Step 3 is gel activator. Step 1 is applying the nail primer. It says work one nail at a time. So I'm assuming I apply the nail primer and go on to step 2. I am left-handed, so I do start with painting my right hand always. It's so weird. I love the smell of nail products. Oh my gosh. Here we go. It feels really gooey. Very, very gooey jelly. Nervous, but I'm gonna do it. Apply step 2 base and top gel and then dip it into the powder and then tap off the excess powder. And then you can repeat that step once or twice, I guess, depending on how pigmented you want it. I need to dip my finger in a lot further. It's kind of like not really covered. We're gonna skip the fourth finger. Tap, 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 tap. This is what it looks like so far. Okay, now I'm gonna repeat these steps again. Okay, here we, oh no, I just messed up. Let me put some of the brush cleaner in here and dip. It's looking a little chunky, but they said to just file it like at the end. And now repeat this with all of the other fingers. I went ahead and repeated it 3 different coats, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my accent nails. Right now I'm just doing one hand at a time. So tap, tap, tap. This one's so pretty because it's all sparkly. So pretty. Okay, I'm doing one more coat because this is actually very pigmented for the glitter. I was not expecting that. Okay, so all my nails are a little chunky as we can see here. Now it says to apply the step 2 base and top gel coating over the entire colored nail, followed by a coat of the gel activator. Definitely what I learned doing this nail is less is more. So like probably only do 2 coats. I think I did 3 and it's made my nails really look a little chunky. So I just did step 2 and now I'm gonna do the gel activator like they say on each nail. Okay, it looks like I did something good. For the last step, it says to use an electric file or a regular file and create the shape and continue to smooth and shine the nail with the buffing block and then finish with a top coat for shine. I'm assuming that you apply it with your own top coat that you think would make it look the best. So let me go file these down. I started filing them down. It actually turned out well. I'm actually very proud of myself. I look very springy and I'm still obsessed with this freaking white sparkly nail. Now I'm about to go do my other hand. All right guys, here is the finished look. I trimmed them down a little bit. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Sally Beauty's channel. It is linked in my description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to me as well. Mwah! Love you.
Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. I can teach a class when my hair is pink.